Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you the OLA app, how to book the OLA electric scooter S1 and S1 Pro, and also how to pay the advance payment of rupees 20,000. So as I have shown here, first I got a text message and also I got an email from Ola. And it says that your purchase lot will go live in the next few hours. If you click purchase now, it will show the OLA app. I have already downloaded and installed the OLA app, so let's open it. Now let's turn on the GPS. After that, you can see the advertisement of OLA electric scooter on the home screen. Now let's click on the ad to open it. I have already booked the OLA S1 Pro from their website before. That's why it's showing like this below your reservations. If you want to book a new one, just click reserve a scooter as shown in the bottom. And when we click on the reserved OLA S1 Pro, we can see the details like this here. Here we can see the order ID, the color, the variant and the date when we have reserved. Now let's click get started. Here you can see more details of your reserved OLA S1 Pro. On the top you can see that the EMI starts at Rs 3,000 and the on-road price without state subsidy. Here you can customize the reservation if you want by changing the color or by changing the variant from OLA S1 Pro to OLA S1 or vice versa. You can change the color selection until the shipment. Here you can see the range and top speed and also if hyper mode is included on OLA S1 and OLA S1 Pro. Below, you can change the pin code according to your district. Now let me type my current pin code here. Click done after typing and you can see the location below. Now let me scroll to the top and check the price. Now the EMI is same, but the on-road price have jumped from 1,40,000 to 1,50,000. That is because the road tax in Kerala is slightly higher. After that, let's recheck the details. The OLA S1 have a range of 121 km and a top speed of 90 km per hour, whereas the OLA S1 Pro have a range of 181 km and a top speed of 115 km per hour. Hyper mode is only included on OLA S1 Pro. Now after checking, let's click continue. And here you have to type in the details for electric scooter delivery. Here you have to type the full name as per the Aadhaar card, the email address, the date of birth, house or flat number, area or street and landmark. After that, click confirm. In this page, it shows that 6,785 rupees is the insurance included in OLA S1 Pro on-road price. Below you can find that 1,55,372 rupees is the maximum amount you get if your scooter gets stolen or damaged beyond repair. Next we can find a own damage cover for 1 year and third party cover for 5 years are included in this plan. Next we have the add-ons like personal accident cover, roadside assistance and zero depreciation for the prices 319, 235 and 367 rupees respectively. Now let's check the details of each. The own damage cover for 1 year covers the damage caused by your OLA scooter in case of fire, theft, etc. This cover compensates for expenses of repairing or replacing any parts of your damaged OLA scooter. And the third party cover for 5 years covers the damage caused by your OLA scooter to other vehicles, personal property or in case of physical injury. Next we have the add-ons. The personal accident cover have a 15 lakh coverage against death or permanent disability. It is legally mandated to own personal accident cover while driving on roads in India. This is mandatory, but if you already have one, you don't need to add on. When we add on roadside assistance, we get immediate help when our scooter breaks down in the middle of our journey. And finally, when we add on zero depreciation, we get actual value of repaired parts during the claim. You can add them as per your desire. If you want to buy your own insurance, you can click I will buy my own insurance button or else click continue. In the next page, you can see the details and the total amount that we should pay. So our total amount is 1,51,049 rupees. Here we can see the jet black OLA S1 Pro with the accessories included at the ex-showroom price. Next we have the registration and road tax at Thrissur as 13,843. The OLA scooter insurance with all the add-on is priced at 7,706 rupees. Here the pre-booking amount that is 499 rupees is reduced. And finally we get a helmet free of charge at the time of delivery because it's mandated as per law. Now let's click continue to payment. Here it shows the option to pay the advance amount of rupees 20,000. When we click on that, it goes to the payment page where we can pay the amount by debit card or credit card or UPI or even net banking. The remaining amount for the OLA electric scooter will be collected before the scooter shipment. Now this is how it looks after the advance payment is done. Here the third step is the remaining payment and documents. And finally we have the scooter shipment and delivery where the details will be shared to you within 72 hours after the full payment. If you want to change any details before the advance payment, you can scroll down this page and click modify reservation. You can also click reserve another scooter if you want to book another one. Here you can change the color and the model of the scooter as per your desire. And finally, select your location and click reserve for Rs 499. This booking amount and also the advance payment amount of Rs 20,000 is fully refundable if you want to cancel the order. You can pay the booking amount of Rs 499 via debit card or credit card, UPI or even net banking. And finally, if you want to cancel your order, go to your reservations, scroll down and click cancel reservation. So that's all about this video. If you want to download the app, click the link in the description below. So thank you for watching the video guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates.